let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us slow Foxtrot gold level choreography with teaching count. And slow, quick, 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 slow, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And slow, quick, 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 slow, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. And now let's look once again to same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and start with hover cross. Notice the lady's heel turn here. Then man steps outside on lady's left side and finishes figure with step outside on lady's right side. We continue with Fallaway reverse slip pivot. Then we dance reverse wave first 4 steps. Notice lady's heel turn here. We move backwards down line of dance and continue with open impetus. Notice man's heel turn here. Then we dance from promenade natural weave, in which we turn first to right and then to left. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. So we take close hold and we start diagonally to wall into corner with hover cross, down line of dance into corner, and we go out diagonally to center. In same direction we dance Fallaway reverse slip pivot. We continue with reverse wave diagonally to wall and then gradually change down line of dance. We move into corner with open impetus and we dance diagonally to wall in new line of dance, natural weave. We move down line of dance and finish diagonally to wall into corner. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.